My goals are to help students be available for learning here at school. So by providing services such as counseling or social skills, support, or resources to their families to help meet their needs.
The most important thing for me as a social worker is building relationships. I make it a point to build relationships with students, parents, Stafford County staff, and community resources so that I can have the most information available to bring it together to support families.
Some of my goals as a social worker, in particular working in schools, is to make sure that I'm reaching as many students and children and families as possible, linking with them and connecting with them at their most vulnerable times and making sure that we're providing for them the support and the services that they need.
Some of the areas I focus on as a social worker is mental health services here at the school, that I do provide counseling and social skills to students when that's needed. I also provide resources to families, so if they're needing help finding mental health services in the community resources such as food pantries in the area or financial assistance, or if they've become homeless, resources that can assist them in that situation.
My favorite part about being a social worker is I get to work with all students. So in a high school of 2,200, I could work with any of the 2,200 and their families. One of my favorite parts is just being able to be a little piece of their life throughout their high school career and just getting to know their story and being able to help them through that.
As a social worker, I feel like I'm definitely making an impact in students' lives. I think that parents and families, when they know that there's someone there that understands, there's definitely life situations that impact being able to focus on education and the importance of it. So I think that makes it easier for them to seek help where they otherwise may not. And the same thing with the students, when they know that somebody cares about them as a whole person and not just how they're doing in their academic areas. That's important to them, and it's going to impact not just their education, but relationships in their overall lives.
I think parents greatly benefit from having their child access social work services and have a social worker to talk to and work with. In the counseling capacity, we really can get at what is a barrier for them to being successful at school, to connecting at home. We can help be that bridge for that child and their family, for that child and resources outside. So I think parents see that we connect with them and we bring them into being part of the solution and helping their children move forward.
The theme for this year is breaking barriers. And I feel like that does relate to my position because I'm able to help students break barriers that are keeping them from accessing their learning to their full potential.